In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Suno AI account to the Pro plan using Google Chrome, and we'll make sure you do it smoothly and securely. Upgrading to the Pro plan will give you access to a host of powerful features that can really enhance your AI experience. First things first, let's ensure that you're logged into your Suno AI account on Google Chrome. If you're not already logged in, simply navigate to the Suno AI website and enter your credentials. Make sure your username and password are entered correctly to avoid any hiccups. Once you're securely logged in, you're all set to proceed to the next step. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to the subscription or upgrade section. You'll usually find this area by clicking on your account menu, which is often represented by your profile icon or your username in the top right corner of the website. Navigate through the drop-down menu until you see an option for managing your subscription or upgrading your plan. Click that option to continue. In the subscription section, you'll likely see various plans available. Here's where you'll want to select the Pro plan. Take a moment to review what's included with the Pro plan to ensure it meets your needs. Once you've made your decision, select the Pro plan by clicking on it. This action will usually bring up the payment interface, which means you're well on your way to unlocking those amazing Pro features. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details to complete the upgrade process. Be sure to have your payment information ready, whether it's a credit card or other preferred payment method. Carefully input your details, taking notice to double-check for any typos to avoid payment errors. This is a great time to ensure that the website is secure and the URL begins with HTTPS, giving you peace of mind as you enter sensitive information. After entering your payment details, you'll need to confirm the upgrade. Typically, the site will provide a summary of your order to review. This is your opportunity to verify everything is correct, from the selected plan to the billing information. Once you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and confirm the upgrade by clicking the appropriate button, which may be labeled as Confirm, Upgrade, or Purchase. Once your transaction is complete, you should receive a confirmation message. This often means that your account has been upgraded and you can start using the Pro features right away. You can enjoy the new capabilities, whether it's enhanced tools or additional resources designed to optimize your user experience on the Suno AI platform. And there you have it, a seamless transition into the Pro world of Suno AI, poised to bring enhanced functionality and new horizons to your AI adventures. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded account.